Welcome to this video series exploring career paths in operations research and optimization. Today, we'll dive into how these professionals navigate complex systems using modeling, optimization, and data-driven decision-making. In today's world, complexity is the new normal. From climate disruptions to volatile global markets, supply chains are under constant pressure. Organizations rely on operations research analysts to turn this chaos into structured, solvable problems, applying mathematical rigor to critical decisions. But what does an operations research analyst actually do? Simply put, they apply modeling, simulation, and optimization techniques to help organizations make better decisions faster, at scale, and even under significant uncertainty. Their core role involves a four-step loop: defining the problem, building the mathematical model, running optimizations and simulations, and finally, driving decisions through actionable recommendations for leadership. Why does this work matter now more than ever? Because our world is increasingly unpredictable. These analysts build the resilient systems necessary for organizations to adapt and thrive when conditions change. Several major forces are reshaping modern supply chains. Climate disruptions, geopolitical shifts, and market volatility occur with greater frequency, requiring dynamic models that can adapt in near real time. Ultimately, the best analysts don't just cut costs. They design for both efficiency and resilience. They find the right balance between lean operations and the strategic buffers needed to handle the unexpected. Next, we'll examine the specific skills required for this profession. There are 5 core competencies that define the modern operations research analyst. This skill stack includes data modeling, simulations, optimization methods, scenario planning, and advanced analytics. Each plays a vital role in transforming raw data into strategic insights. Data modeling is the foundation. Analysts must translate messy, real-world situations into clear mathematical structures. Depending on the problem, they may use linear, network, or stochastic models. Simulations are another powerful tool, allowing teams to stress test systems without real-world consequences. Whether it's Monte Carlo, discrete event, or agent-based, these methods identify failure points before they occur. Optimization methods help find the best possible outcomes. This involves everything from linear and integer programming to complex meta-heuristics for approximate solutions when problems become too large or complex. Scenario planning and forecasting give organizations vital foresight. By asking, "What if?" analysts use statistical methods to generate probabilistic forecasts that inform everything from staffing to procurement. Finally, advanced analytics acts as the connective tissue between data and action. By leveraging machine learning and prescriptive analytics, analysts move beyond simply describing what happened to determining what should happen next. In the next chapter of this video, we will explore the various industries and domains where these experts apply their craft. Thanks for watching. In this video, we'll look at where operations research professionals work. From last-mile delivery to global inventory, these analysts are embedded in logistics to optimize cost, speed, and reliability. Operations research analysts are in high demand across many industries. Key sectors include transportation and logistics, healthcare, manufacturing, and tech and cloud services, where they solve complex planning and resource allocation problems. The public sector and defense industries also rely heavily on these methods. From disaster relief coordination to managing transit routes and defense assets, OR techniques help organizations manage resources effectively under strict budget constraints. Next, we turn to the tools of the trade. These are the specific software programs and programming languages that power modern operations research and analytical work. The modern toolkit includes a mix of programming languages like Python and R, powerful optimization solvers for math problems, specialized simulation platforms, and data tools for stakeholder communication. Python has become a primary tool for the OR analyst. With versatile libraries for modeling, data wrangling, optimization, and visualization, It acts as a comprehensive Swiss Army knife for the entire workflow. Now, let's explore real-world impact. We'll examine how these optimization methods translate directly into improved business outcomes in the real world. OR models help keep goods moving under pressure. By enabling rapid rerouting when ports close or demand spikes, these tools ensure supply chain resilience, effectively managing disruption and restoring operational flow. Inventory management is another area where optimization is critical. Analysts help companies avoid the dual pitfalls of excessive stock and costly stockouts, balancing supply and demand to maintain profitability. Routing optimization is perhaps one of the most famous OR challenges. By solving the vehicle routing problem, companies can cut fuel costs by 10 to 20%, resulting in significant annual savings. Next, let's discuss building your career path. We'll look at the educational foundations and professional steps required to become an effective operations research analyst. A strong quantitative foundation is essential. Degrees in operations research, industrial engineering, or applied math are ideal, but coding skills and a deep understanding of statistics are the common denominators for success. Career progression typically starts with an analyst or associate role, moving up to senior positions, management, and eventually director-level leadership as one gains experience in setting analytical strategy. Professional certifications and communities like Informs or the Certified Analytics Professional Program offer valuable credentials and networking opportunities that can significantly boost your career prospects. Finally, you can build experience before landing your first job by participating in OR challenges, working with open data sets, and seeking out relevant internships. Thank you for watching. Technical skills alone aren't enough to reach the top. For operations research analysts, clear communication is essential. Those who can translate complex mathematical models into plain language and actionable recommendations for stakeholders will advance far faster than those who only focus on the build. Moving forward, we look at the future of operations research. This field is evolving rapidly, and it is a great time to consider a career as these methods become more integral to global industry. Artificial intelligence and operations research are becoming a powerful combination. By pairing the pattern recognition of machine learning with the constrained decision-making of OR, we are seeing the rise of prescriptive AI. Analysts who can bridge these two worlds will be among the most sought-after professionals in the next decade. The job market outlook is very strong. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment for OR analysts is projected to grow 23% through 2032. With median salaries exceeding $100,000, this is consistently ranked as a top analytical role. To start your path, focus on building your mathematical foundations, mastering tools like Python and optimization solvers, and applying your skills early through internships or competitions. Operations research is a lens for solving real-world complexity. If you enjoy logic and data, this field is for you. This program was brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Path series.